Dog Training Collar, safe, smart and effective training for your furry friend. Dog face. Training your dog just got easier, safer, and more efficient with the ROJECO Dog Training Collar with remote control. Whether you're dealing with excessive barking, leash pulling, biting, jumping, or disobedience, this versatile training collar is your go-to solution for building better behavior and a stronger bond with your dog. Light bulb key features. Checkmark 3 effective training modes: beep, vibration, shock. Choose from beep, vibration, 0-100 levels, or safe static shock, 0-100 levels, to correct bad behavior based on your dog's sensitivity and temperament. Checkmark train up to 3 dogs. This collar supports 3-channel remote control, allowing you to train up to 3 dogs with 1 remote. Great for multi-dog households or trainers. Checkmark long-range control, up to 3,300 feet, 1,000 m. Enjoy uninterrupted training at long distances. The remote works up to 3,300 feet in open areas and around 1,968 feet in barrier environments, so you're always in control, even at the park, beach, or hiking trail. Checkmark IPX7 waterproof receiver, rain, mud, or swimming. No problem. The IPX7 waterproof design lets your dog enjoy all kinds of activities without damaging the collar. Checkmark rechargeable and long battery life. Charge fully in just 2 hours. The receiver lasts up to 30 days, and the remote lasts up to 60 days on a single charge. USB rechargeable, no more wasting money on batteries. Checkmark safe for dogs, even for beginners, equipped with conductive silicone prongs to protect your dog's skin. Certified by FCC, ROJECO, and CE, a reliable and humane training solution even for first-time pet owners. Checkmark eco-friendly and adjustable collar. Made from durable TPU, the adjustable collar fits dogs from 4 to 120 pounds and provides 360 degrees reflective straps for night visibility. Comfortable, secure, and built to last. Service dog. What can this collar help with? Stop excessive barking, correct jumping, biting, or aggression. Prevent leash pulling or running away. Control picking up, eating unsafe objects outdoors. Assist with off-leash recall training. Reduce separation anxiety behavior. Whether you're training a puppy over 6 months old or a stubborn adult dog, the ROJECO training collar is an effective, vet-recommended tool for responsible pet owners. Pushpin-friendly user tips. Suitable for dogs over 6 months old, weighing 4 to 120 pounds. Limit wearing time to no more than 12 hours per day. After charging, always seal the rubber plug on the receiver to maintain waterproofing. The receiver is paired to channel 1 by default. Refer to the user manual, page 7, to pair additional collars. Read the user manual carefully before first use to avoid misuse or injury. Red Heart. Why ROJECO? At ROJECO, we believe pets are not just animals, they're family. That's why we're committed to creating safe, humane, and effective training tools that help you care for your dog in the best way possible. With our thoughtful design, protective features, and user-friendly system, the ROJECO Dog Training Collar puts you in control while keeping your dog comfortable and safe. Package. What's in the box? 1X remote control, 1X receiver collar, 1X adjustable TPU strap, 1X charging cable, 1X user manual. Additional accessories, protective cases, anti-wear buckle, etc. Movie camera. Watch the full video to see how the ROJECO training collar works, how to use it, and why it's trusted by thousands of happy pet parents. Like, comment and subscribe for more dog training tips and trusted product reviews.